How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I'm doing another video on a question that I put out on Instagram regarding a Python quiz, and we're just going to go over it and explain a few things. So the question I put out on Instagram is for a split function. I know I've gone over this before, but I want to go over it again because a lot of people have got this part wrong right here. So the question here, we have a string saved to a variable called formatted, and the string is she sells seashells by the seashore, which, by the way, is a tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 It's not easy. But yeah, I just thought this would be a funny one, and it's actually really interesting, when we're using the split function. And what we're doing is we're splitting this string on the word C, and then returning the length. The length function simply returns the length of the list. So let's go ahead and put this into the Python terminal here, and then see what we get. So what do we have? We have the list of length of 3, and so if we simply return this, there we go. The length of 3. The majority of people, 36 said 2, and then 32 said 3. Now, I don't understand why you would say 2, because you would think that in Python you were splitting on this C. You're not splitting on this C part right here, but we are splitting on this C part because in the split function splits by consecutive letters, not specifically a whole word. If you want to split on the whole word, then you could do something like this. If I copy this, and if I put the space before the C and a space after the C, then we're telling Python, okay, I want to split on the whole word on the whole word C. And so what we expect now is, if we have she sells seashells by the seashore, you expect it only to split on this word to get two separate sentences, I guess you can say. Not sentences, but you get what I mean. So if we do this now and then we output it, she sells, and then you have the second one, that's the first index, and the second index is shells by the seashore. Right now, this time we split on the whole word because we specified the whole word. If you don't specify the whole word, then it only looks for consecutive letters. And then actually, in a lot of languages like JavaScript and so forth, I know that that's the same way that it works as well. It doesn't just split by the whole word unless you specify for it. There's also another parameter called there's another parameter where it specified the max number to split on. So if we do this again, I kind of want to mention this because I haven't mentioned this in the previous one. So if we split by only one C, by only one, the first time it finds it, if we could do that, then we should get, what do you think we should get? I know what we should get. Do you know what we should get? I know what we should get. There we go. We get a list of 2, right? Because we only split on the first C. We only split on this C, right? No, wait. I keep jumping around. We're only splitting on this C right here. We're not splitting on this one because we only specified 1. And that's simply just a parameter that you pass into a split function. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be putting more questions like this on Instagram, so feel free to just go on Instagram and then type in Naz Dumansky on the search bar, and you should see me on there. I post a lot of good stuff on there. At least I think it's good stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Let's end this with a song. I think it'll be good. Alright, take care, everybody.